Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be making Chile Colorado breakfast soup. For this recipe, you'll need thinly sliced beef steak, also known as Bistec, 6 Guajillo chiles, 2 potatoes, 6 eggs, 1 juicy tomato, 1 small onion, 3 garlic cloves. The lovely spices that you'll need for this recipe will be ground cumin, black pepper, Mexican oregano, and a little bit of salt. Heavy whipping cream, oil and a little bit of butter, your choice of bouillon, and a lot of water. Take your bistec and slice it into smaller pieces. If you see that the cut of beef that you have has too much fat, go ahead and remove some of that. The kids absolutely hate it, at least in our house, so remember to make it comfortable for your home. And your slices can be big if you're feeding someone that likes hearty food, but if you have the children, just go into little smaller tiny pieces. Something like this will work. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon Mexican oregano. Massage and combine your ingredients. Once you've combined your ingredients, go ahead and drizzle your oil and combine again. And go ahead and set it to the side. Peel your potatoes and slice them into small cubes. Place your potatoes in a bowl of water to prevent oxidation. To 6 eggs, you want to add about 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. If you don't have heavy whipping cream, you can use half and half. And if you don't have half and half, you can use crema fresca. And if you have any of the little ones complaining about the flavor or the smelly eggs, you can add a little bit of black pepper. And now it's time to beat our eggs. And remember, beat it, because nobody wants to be defeated at breakfast time. And go ahead and set your eggs to the side. Place your pot on a medium heat and add your garlic, onion, tomato. And before you place your chilies in this pot, make sure to remove the stems and the seeds. We're going to continue to boil our ingredients on a medium heat until they're nice and soft, and that should take us about 8 to 10 minutes. Place all your boiled ingredients into your blender, and I'm going to add about half a cup of chili water for an easy blend. Add 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon and blend until smooth. And boom, done! Place your burner on a medium heat and add your potatoes. We're going to continue to boil our potatoes for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're nice and soft. Place your burner on a low temperature and add your butter. Add your eggs.
I have a quick question for you. Is the butter cold?
Yes, it's very, very cold.
Okay. So the purpose is not to melt that butter yet.
Do not melt the butter. Let it melt slowly into your eggs, and you are not going to raise that temperature from a low heat. We do not want stinky eggs in this soup. No, we don't. Continue to cook and stir your eggs gently every so often. This should take you about 8 minutes. Believe me. It's going to take you a little time, but it's so worth it. And once your eggs are cooked, you're going to go ahead and set them to the side. Be patient. I know some of you want your eggs done like this really quick, but believe me, just take it easy with your eggs. Place your burner on a medium heat and add your chopped and seasoned beef steak. Continue to cook for 4 minutes without stirring anything. We want a really good sear. Go ahead and give that a good mix. Add your potatoes, 4 to 5 cups of water. Add your chiles. Gently add your eggs, and we're going to continue to boil our soup for about 8 to 10 minutes just so that our flavors can combine, and then we're going to be ready to serve.
We're going to be so ready.
So ready. This is absolutely delicious. Yummy, yummy. While our soup continues to boil, I'm going to warm up some tortillas, friends. You can have this with bolillo, but you and I both know that I need to lay off the bolillo for just about a week or so. Okay, so we're going to go with corn tortillas today.
We'll be back at it next week.
Yes. And boom, done, amigos. After about 8 to 10 minutes, our breakfast soup is ready. You can sprinkle your choice of cheese right over the top of your soup. A little cilantro, a little red radish, and a little lime juice. I'm gonna need somebody very special to say
Buen provecho.
Thank you. Mmm.
Do you have a tip for us?
My tip to you is have a lot of fun when you're making this recipe, whether it's for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a snack. It's that good and super easy to make. The other thing I wanted to share with you, if you want your eggs to be super fluffy, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and you'll see them fluff up right before your eyes. Now it's time to indulge.
Sorry to ask, but when would I add that baking powder? When I'm mixing it with the milk, with the cream?
When you're mixing it with the cream, a perfect time to add your baking powder. If you guys love the breakfast soups that we've been sharing, you're gonna absolutely love this one. The flavor from this broth is so comforting.
Is it safe for kids to consume?
Mm-hmm. It is absolutely safe. And if you don't have beefsteak, you can throw some weenies in here. You can throw your beef chorizo. Make it comfortable for your home always. As always, Cloud and I are wishing you the best. We absolutely adore you. And on that one, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Adios.